The minority in Parliament is requesting information under Section 18 to the Right to Information Act 2019, Act 989 regarding the cost of road construction equipment for the District Road Improvement Program (DRIP). They are specially asking for the cost of each unit of equipment procured to DRIP, the payment schedule for this equipment, the total payment made so far, and other related details. Meanwhile, the local government minister Martin Kwekweje Mensah Kosa has revealed that over 5,000 Ghanaian construction workers will be directly employed through the District Road Improvement Program (DRIP). The project will facilitate the completion of various road projects within these areas. DRIP will also benefit farmers in rural communities who lack agricultural equipment, improving their farming activities. Speaking at launch of the project at the Black Star Square, President Akufo-Addo also highlighted the project's significance as evidence of his administration's commitment to enhancing road infrastructure in the country.
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.